Alright guys, I do want to come on here and do a quick unboxing review and setup on my new SX Pro Superbox. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go take a look at it. Alright, check it out. Different ports on there. Open these up. Got your HDMI, Ethernet there. You also get the power cable, an HDMI cable, the remote to control it, and then your user manual. So let's go and actually set it up and see how it works. All right, so let's go and actually power on the Superbox. We're already using the provider remote for it. All right, so look at the options that you do get on here. Live TV, video on demand, playback, apps, the App Store. Actually looks really good. So let's go ahead and see what we have under the live TV. See what we can add on here. So let's go to the App Store, Play Store. As you can see, this is real-time download for a YouTube TV on the Superbox. Loads very quickly, it's ready to go. Now you gotta do is just sign in if you so choose to, but we can also just go ahead and start looking at things on here. So as you can see, super simple to download apps from the App Store that's already comes pre-installed on it. Another cool thing is you can actually access the internet. As you can see, all you got to do is make sure that you hit this button right here, which will turn the remote into a cursor basically. So we're able to navigate through Google and click on here. And then as you can see, it generates the keyboard on there. What you decide to add on here is up to you. Just make sure you're following the rules and laws of your country. The other thing I want to show on here was these down here. These are all shortcuts. So if you find an application that you like, you can add it right then and there. So I'm going to go ahead and add YouTube to mine. And then that way you don't have to go and search for it every single time. It literally would just add it to the bottom, as you can see. Some of the other options on here, this one's actually pretty cool. So if you run this one, it'll actually clean up the entire box. So that way it's running nice and smooth for you. So you can see, system is now running a lot cleaner than what it was. This one is a speed test for your internet, which I'm not gonna go ahead and run yet. And this one, if you like to uninstall any applications, it also has a option for, if you wanna go ahead and set up the voice command options, you can also do so right there. This is the keyboard. And this is another option for you to add more shortcuts on there as well. So as you can see, very, very cool. This side over here, nothing happens with this photo, just kind of promotions that are on there. But as you can see, very, very cool Superbox. So if you guys are looking for a new Superbox, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave the link in the description so y'all can get yours.